Welcome to She Rises Digital. I'm Coach Ray, and on this channel, I teach women 40 plus how to use AI to create clarity, confidence, and digital income without overwhelm. Let's get into it. Welcome. I'm Coach Ray, and in this lesson, I'm going to walk you through what's possible with AI and how we'll approach learning in this series clearly, simply, and without overwhelm. We're going to talk about AI made simple. What's possible with AI? So who is this series for? This series is for beginners, it's for creators, educators, entrepreneurs, and women 40 plus. So if you're a beginner, you hear so much about AI, maybe you work and they're talking about AI and you're scared of AI, you want to learn it, but you don't know where to start, this is for you. If you're a creator, maybe you create and you haven't tried to create with AI and you want to, you don't know how, what, when, where, this is for you. If you're an educator and maybe you want to incorporate AI in your lessons, helping you to create activities, assignments, plan your lessons, this is for you. If you're an entrepreneur and you want to use AI in your business, you got a business, you've had a business for years. Maybe you have a brick and mortar business, a business that's not online, and you're not really sure how can you use AI for your business. This is for you. Women 40 plus, maybe you want to learn something new. We've worked hard all our life. Now it's time to work smart. This is for you. So if you fall in this category, and maybe you're watching this and you don't fall in this category, but you want to learn AI in a simple way, this is for you. So why AI feels overwhelming? A lot of times AI feels overwhelming because, number one, I think that people don't understand it. They hear it, and maybe they see the negative ways it's been used, right? Maybe they haven't seen how positive it can be used. But also, they may think it's too many tools. And there are a lot of platforms you can use in AI. There's a lot of, depending on what you want to do, there's a platform for that. There's an app for that. Anything probably you want to do, you can figure out a way to do it in AI. So that could be overwhelming, right? It's too noisy. It's not quiet. It's too noisy. So you don't know what to do with AI. And then another way it could feel overwhelming is you don't know where to start. It's like I see people making music with it, creating art with it, creating these cute animated images, creating physical products or designs that they can sell. I want to do all that and I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. So it's so much information and it's not getting any easier. It's going to be a lot more information. It comes quick. It's changing so fast. So you may hear of one thing, next week you hear about something else. You're like, ooh, I want to try that. So you really don't know where to start. It's too many tools and it's too much noise. So rightfully so, AI definitely could feel overwhelming. So what is AI actually good for? Some people may not think it's good for anything. But I'm going to tell you 4 things that it's good for. In my opinion, it's good for more than 4 things, but I'm just going to share 4 with you today. One thing that it's good for is to create faster. So if you're a creator, even if you're not a creator, maybe you need to create something for work or for school or for home, it can help. It helps you do it faster. Think about your life. Think about your responsibilities. Think about everything that you do. How simple it would be to be able to create faster. Because we don't have time. Time is something that is limited. Time is something we can't get back. And time oftentimes is something we do not have time to create, to set aside time to create. So AI helps us create faster. AI also is good for organizing ideas. Maybe we're not good at organizing ideas and we've never been good and we don't have the time to do it now. AI helps us organize ideas. Maybe you want to lose weight and you need a workout plan. Maybe you need a healthy eating plan. Maybe you have to organize something for school or for work or organize your home life. You got kids' activities and doctor's appointments and meetings and and you need help with organizing, AI can help. Maybe you want to create something, a digital asset. You want to design something. And maybe you're not very artsy. Maybe you're not very craftsy, but you want to design something. AI is good for that. And the big thing, it saves you time. Time is something we cannot get back. I don't care how you look at it, what you say, what you think, you can't get it back. You can't get it back. This time that you're spending here watching this episode, you cannot get it back. But one thing that AI is good for is it saves you time. It saves you time. And in this day and age, as busy as we are, we need something that's going to help us save time and get it done faster. AI can help. So what exactly are we going to create in this series? Well, we're going to create eBooks. We're going to create sales pages. We're going to create presentations. And we're going to create visual content. Now, maybe you want to create an ebook just for you, a guide for you, maybe for your organization, maybe for your community. Maybe you have a business and you want to create a freebie. Maybe you want to create an ebook to sell. You can do that. We're going to do that. We're going to create sales pages. Maybe you have a business and you offer a product or service and you want people to go to your sales page to learn more. You don't want them to just go to a link and click it and buy. You want them to go somewhere where they can read more information about the product or service or class, whatever it is you're offering, and then they purchase. We're going to create sales pages. We're going to create presentations. Maybe you're a teacher. Maybe you have to do presentations at work. Maybe you're a student. We are going to learn how to create presentations with AI. You won't believe that you can literally create a presentation with one sentence. You can create an ebook with one sentence. And I'm going to show you how. We're also going to learn how to create visual content. So if you promote anything online, product, service, an event, a party, we're going to learn how to create visual content in this series. And here are the tools that we're going to use. We're going to use Gamma. Gamma is known as a presentation tool. So think of it as the PowerPoint of AI. But it's much quicker, much easier. We're also going to use different AI image tools to create various types of images. And we're going to use simple workflows. So let me share with you how each episode is going to work. We're going to have one clear topic. These lessons will not be all over the place. We're going to have a clear topic for each episode. We're going to have one focused lesson, and we're going to have one practical takeaway. So I hope just hearing and reading that puts your mind at ease and lets you know that, hey, maybe I can do this. Maybe too much information, too fast information at one time is too much, and it's hard for you to learn. I know as I get older, I don't learn as fast as I used to. And I need somebody that's going to break it down. So having one clear topic and one focused lesson and one practical takeaway will be very beneficial for me. And my hope is that it's very beneficial for you. So what's coming next? Well, what's coming next is we're going to learn how to create with Gamma. We're going to learn how to build our first AI asset. And I'm going to give you step-by-step guidance. One thing I want you to know. When I teach my lessons, I always take my time and I always go step by step. So it is my hope and it is my goal that when you watch these episodes, that you walk away with a new skill and that you have step-by-step guidance and you feel that with practice, you have the confidence that you can do this because you can do this. All right? So that's what's coming next. We're going to learn how to create with Gamma. We're going to learn how to build our first AI asset, and we're going to go step by step. That is it for this first lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're excited to learn, and I hope that you're excited to see the next episode. If this helped you, make sure you're subscribed. To learn more about me and access additional resources, visit sherises.digital. I'll see you in the next video.